Budget day is almost here and we all have certain expectations from the same. As taxpayers, some relief in the policies would definitely not harm us. Hi guys, welcome to Dhan. I'm CA Twinkle Jain and I will be taking you through some of the budget expectations for the financial year 2023 to 2024. If data points were to be believed, 50% of the income tax returns filed in 2022 were by salaried professionals. Hence, they, if not everyone, might have some expectations from the budget that will be presented by Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman on the 1st of February 2023. The first expectation is definitely with regard to the salary slabs that has remained unchanged for quite some time. Taxpayers are expecting the current tax slab with a basic exemption limit of 2.5 lakh income to be increased to 5 lakh under the old and new tax regime, keeping in view the rising inflation and cost of living. This ask doesn't look very unreasonable, and given that the election is scheduled to be held next year, the government might as well entertain this expectation. This will indeed improve the consumption ability of the people and thus have a positive impact. The next major expectation is in regard to the tax exemption limit for home buyers. Home buyers claim a reduction of up to 2 lakh rupees on the interest paid on housing loan EMI under Section 24B, which people are expecting to go high as 5 lakh rupees. Likewise, the exemption limit for the principal repayment under Section 80C is 1.5 lakh rupees and people are expecting it to go as high as 3 lakh rupees. The taxpayers also expect the budget to provide long-term post-retirement benefits that shall help the elderly. These are on the lines of relaxation that the middlemen of the country are expecting. On the spending side, infrastructure is expected to get a good boost. Coupled with that, we might see energy, healthcare and pharma, specialty chemicals, technology and manufacturing get some emphasis in this budget. Quite likely that publicly listed companies belonging to these sectors would catch the eyeballs of investors and traders. Since we are talking about the budget and the impact that it will have on the stock markets, how can we miss out on talking about LTCG? Are we expecting any changes in that? Well, if we go by several experts, they don't really expect a hike in the LTCG tax in the February budget. After all, elections. Now, if you were to ask me how the markets have performed in the pre-budget trade over the last 5 to 10 years, the market has fallen 5 times while gaining 6 times in the month ahead of the union budget in the last 11 years and has oscillated between plus minus 3%. What are your expectations with the budget ahead? How will the markets close by the end of the year? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.